donuts.
Wait. So, just so I'm clear, the safe word is banana donuts.
Banana donuts. It's hyphenated.
Okay. Do I have to put a pause between the two? Or can I just say banana donuts?
Are you saying that now? Or are you wanting out? Because you keep saying the
Maybe.
safe word.
Okay.
Oh, you're a scrappy son of a bitch.
Who starts this?
We already started.
It's on?
Yeah, we started.
Okay.
He's just trying you on.
Back in the ring.
He's quick. He's quick, he is. He's also way stronger than I am. He's so much bigger!
God, this is pretty good, though.
Nelson.
All right. 1, 2, 3. I love you.
Was so close. I had him. It's just with my shoulder, you know. Oh, that was exhausting.
That was really hard.
That was exhausting.
Wow.